Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Welcome to day 9 of our 14-day trip in Las Vegas. We're going to be seeing a lot of hotels in this video today. If you're interested in where to stay in Las Vegas, we are currently right now in the Miracle Mile shop walking through to the Strip to go to the Bellagio first. Currently passing by the Planet Hollywood Casino. The Miracle Mile shops connect the Planet Hollywood Casino and Elara. The Bellagio is located across from Planet Hollywood and Elara. You could easily go visit the Cosmopolitan, the Bellagio, and Caesars going over this pedestrian bridge over Las Vegas Boulevard. We're going to take a brief walk through the Cosmopolitan right now. Here's a look at the very beautiful Chandelier Bar. Now we're back on Las Vegas Boulevard. We're going to be walking right next door to the Bellagio. Currently now about 5 a.m. There's not too many people around gambling and stuff. It's mostly people working there. Construction, be careful of the construction. I actually fell on that. It's job hazard. I was filming and wasn't paying attention. It's dreadfully hard to get up sometimes, but it's so worth it to get up early in the morning and just enjoy how quiet everything is. The reason I came here first was because of the Bellagio Conservatory. I heard this is an excellent time to come, and it was. This video was filmed December 2023. Just going to be giving you a brief tour of this. I've already made a full video of this if you want to see this in more detail. After this, we're going to be heading over to the Cromwell. Then we're going to be going through the Horseshoe and then Paris. And then we're going to be going out for breakfast. We're going to be going to the Salsa Cantina over at the Miracle Mile shops. And later in the video, we're also going to be going to the Gordon Ramsey burger place that's in Planet Hollywood. Awesome place. So stick around. There's going to be a lot to see in this video. Have you stayed at the Bellagio before? Is this your favorite place to stay? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm going to be staying here in 3 weeks with my daughter, and I'm really excited. I've never stayed here before. I really want to eat at this restaurant over here. It's so exquisite for a place that serves breakfast. Here's a look at the piano lobby bar. I guess that's one thing about 5 in the morning. You know, you don't get all those little touches as a pianist playing when you walk in. The Bellagio is a very beautiful and elegant hotel. It is owned by MGM Properties. The price to stay here is mid-range to high. Okay, now we're going to be walking back over Las Vegas Boulevard over this pedestrian bridge. I'm traveling with my husband Kelly, and he really hasn't seen a lot of these resorts. And we're going to go see the Cromwell first. This is a look at Caesars as we pass by. For those of you that are new to my channel, that's what this video series is about, what we do in a day. I just kind of want to show you where everything is, what the hotels are like, how much they cost. This place is cool. It's very sexy, very burlesque. The Cromwell is located right next door to the Flamingo. It is a Caesars property, and price-wise, it's about mid-range. Cromwell is in a very convenient but noisy location. We are very center strip over here, and literally you just like walk out the door and you are right on the strip. Right next door, the sign still says Bally's, but it is now the Horseshoe. One of the best things I feel about the Horseshoe are the rates. The rates are very reasonable, and it's on the monorail line. It is also a Caesars property. Another cool thing about the Horseshoe is it's directly connected to Paris. Have you stayed at this property since they changed to the Horseshoe? Let me know in the comments below how your stay was. I never personally stayed here, but I always seem to end up here, probably because of the Central Strip location and because of the monorail. The monorail is a great tool for getting around Las Vegas. It runs on the east side of the Strip. And just like that, we're in Paris. I'm doing this video in 10 minutes, but this probably took about 3 hours of our day. Paris is an awesome place to visit for breakfast, but we're not going there for breakfast. We're going to be going to the La Salsa Cantina for the $5.99 breakfast in the Miracle Mile shops. Paris is a very beautiful hotel. It's one of my favorite places to stay in this price range. The rates can be quite reasonable, especially during the week. One of the prettiest lobbies, really very beautiful. Okay, we're back at the Miracle Mile shops on our way back to Elara. We're going to go back to our room to refresh and grab some coffee, and then we're going to go out to breakfast to La Salsa Cantina. The Miracle Mile shops is an attraction in itself. It's very high energy and visually appealing. They have this theater here with a lot of different shows. They have matinees. They have a ton of different restaurants that have really good, cheap dining. Here's a quick look at the lobby area in Elara, a Hilton Grand Resort. It has a fairly large outdoor pool, but it was closed for the season. I think it opens in March. It is Christmas season, though, however. I really love this Christmas setup. It was beautiful, and so did my husband, Kelly. Back at our room over here is awesome. It was a one-bedroom, had a full kitchen. Look at this little living room setup. It was awesome. Sometimes I ended up sleeping out here. Has a beautiful view. We could go see the sunrise coming up. Made some coffee in our room. It's funny, we had this full kitchen. It literally had half and half and coffee and leftovers in it. We don't cook when we're in Vegas. There's too many places to eat out here. But it is nice to have a kitchen, that's for sure. That's the monorail down there. And now we're at La Salsa Cantina in the Miracle Mile shops, known best for its cheap breakfast and their 99-cent Bloody Marys. The $5.99 breakfast is all the same. I think you have the choice of meat, though. My husband got the sausage and I got the ham, but it comes with the wrap and the potatoes and the eggs. I mean, it's definitely, for $5.99 in Vegas, it's a fabulous deal. As you will see quickly, eating in Las Vegas could be very challenging as far as price goes. And the 99-cent Bloody Marys were actually really good. We really enjoyed it. There are a lot of different deals in the Miracle Mile shop, but we really enjoyed our time here. We really enjoyed the food. It was a really good experience, and the price was fantastic. And the Bloody Marys, well, yeah, that worked too. It's probably about 10 a.m. right now. We've already had a full day. Now it's time to go back to our room and relax. I'm going to go work on some videos. I make so many videos at a time that I have to sort of rearrange them and know how to produce them later on. So it's kind of just helps me with the madness. So after a few hours of doing that, it was time to go to lunch. This is maybe 4 in the afternoon, maybe now. We're gonna try Gordon Ramsay burger for the first time. It's in the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. You could also access it from the Strip. This place always has a line. No matter when I've ever been by here, there's always a huge line there. But I could see why. It was delicious. Little quick tip, if you're a small party and you don't want to wait, check the bar. We were able to get seated right away by sitting at the bar, and I really liked it there. We watch all of Gordon Ramsay's TV shows, so it's always a trip to dine at one of his restaurants. This one in particular is mostly hamburgers. They were masterpieces, however. They were just too pretty to eat. They were just so perfectly crafted. We loved them. We also ordered the sweet potato fries as well. Highly recommend it. I highly recommend this place in general. The food was fantastic. The silverware was perfect too. Anybody else like that? I don't know why I'm such a critic on silverware. I just really appreciate nice flatware to use. Gordon Ramsay Burger offers a vegan option as well. My daughter Sky is 100% vegetarian, so I always notice these little things because it is important, you know, to make sure everyone in your party is going to be happy. All right, back in Elara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos of what we did in a day. Or you could click over here and see my resort tours if you're just more into seeing a resort in particular. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Get out to Vegas. It's awesome. Be well to yourself and be kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.